you a business owner or entrepreneur? Would you like to make more sales and more money? If this sounds like you, then we need to speak. Wherever you are in the world, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. My name is Maz Berry.
And my name is Jo Eva. We show business people how to eliminate their mental blocks, increase their emotional intelligence, and achieve their goals faster and easier. We work with business people one-to-one or in small groups, and we show them how to neutralise their mental blocks, allowing them to make more sales and a lot more money.
80% of business people fail to close because they have a fear of rejection, and it's a mental block. Let me tell you a story of Janet, for example. Janet was shown how to neutralise her mental blocks, and as a result, she is more confident, improved her mental attitude, and her turnover has increased by a whopping 50,000 British pounds per month. Here is the point. Just one mental block or one self-limiting belief is enough to sabotage your entire success.
58% of your success is down to your emotional intelligence, and just a 1% increase can result in increasing your earning potential by thousands every single year. Take Sue, for example. She was demotivated and procrastinated all of the time, which was causing her huge problems in her business. After taking an emotional quotient assessment, Sue could see exactly what was holding her back, and because of this, her emotional intelligence increased by over 150%, as she increased her hourly rate by a whopping 500%. She's now feeling motivated and looks forward to working every day, rather than doing everything that she can to avoid it. And not only that, Sue has also lost over 3 stone in weight, and she's also gone from drinking a bottle of Prosecco every night to now drinking absolutely nothing. So well done, Sue. The point is, emotional intelligence is your biggest predictor of success. Because of our emotional quotient assessment, you will find out exactly what is holding you back, which means you will start to make more sales and a lot more money.
Only 3% of the population have clear written goals, and they earn 10 times more than the other 97% combined. There are a number of reasons why people don't set goals. They're not serious about them, they don't understand the importance of them, they don't know how to set them, or they have a fear of rejection or a fear of failure. Take Luke, for example. He really used to set goals and would drift through life without achieving much. Once he started to set goals, he found his results rapidly increased, and he achieved exactly what he wanted when he wanted. So the point is, having clear written goals increases your chances of achieving exactly what you want in life and in business.
So that is a little bit about us and what we do. We'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you would like more information about how we can help you and your business, please reach out to us today, and we look forward to speaking with you in the days ahead.